I'm Scott Woodruff, a yacht sales consultant with Collection Yachts in Camden, Maine. As the North American reps for Best of Your Yachts and KM Yacht Builders, I'm often asked why you should consider building a yacht out of aluminum. For this reason, I thought I'd take some time to explain why an aluminum yacht may be right for you. When it comes to exploring the open sea, strength, durability, and freedom should come standard. That's why more experienced mariners are turning to aluminum yachts. And here's why you might want to join them. Built to endure, aluminum yachts are known for their rugged resilience. Their hulls handle everything from rocky coastlines to Arctic temperatures without a flinch. If you're worried about corrosion, don't be. Modern marine-grade aluminum alloys resist rust, reducing maintenance and extending the yacht's lifespan and your peace of mind. So if your dream is to go farther, stay longer, and travel without compromise, maybe an aluminum yacht is right for you. Built for adventure, designed for you. That's what aluminum yachts can offer. Give me a call at the information below. I'd love to talk to you about aluminum yachts. Thanks for joining me. Cheers.